I think I've come up with, in my opinion, the greatest New Year's resolution of all time, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk about in today's video.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so New Year's resolutions. First thing I want to talk about is, why do we come up with New Year's resolutions? To make our lives better, right? We're trying to make changes that are going to make our lives better. So what I want to tell you, in my opinion, is the greatest New Year's resolution ever is, what if I were to tell you that you could get a college degree by the end of the year, a bachelor's degree, okay? I'm not talking an associate's degree. I'm talking a 4-year bachelor's degree by the end of the year, even if you have no college credits right now, okay? Wouldn't that be crazy, okay? Think about how much your life would change by next year if this year you could earn a bachelor's degree. What jobs would you qualify for? Would you get a pay raise? Because most college grads make a lot more money than people without college degrees. Life would change, right? Life would absolutely change. So if you followed me, if you've seen my videos before, you know that I teach people how to earn college degrees really, really fast in a matter of months, not years. And I know that might sound like a crazy, insane amount of work, but in all honesty, it's something that you can do with a full-time job, with a family, with children, okay? It's just so much easier than earning a college degree the traditional way, okay? I just wanted to, I guess, jump on and say Merry Christmas. It's Christmas time while I'm recording this. Merry Christmas. And if you're thinking about a New Year's resolution that will absolutely change your life, and if you don't have a college degree and you're not happy with your career, you wish you made more money, and you wish you worked in a career and a job that you enjoyed, I might be able to help, okay? I was in a situation where I didn't like my job. I was making $12 an hour and I had a wife and kids, okay? We were so broke, okay? And I found a better way. I'm a past college dropout, but I found a better way. I ended up testing out of all of my college classes in a 9-month span and earned an entire bachelor's degree, okay? If you'd like to learn I call it degree hacking, okay? It's like my backdoor approach to getting a college degree way faster, way cheaper. If you'd like to learn exactly how to do that, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description with a free video where I'll literally walk you through the 3-step process so that you can go and apply degree hacking for yourself. I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas time. I hope you have a happy New Year. I wanted to jump on and tell you, your life can change drastically in a matter of 1 year, okay? You can earn an entire degree in as little as 6 months without paying a fortune in tuition. And if that's something that sounds like would make your life better, just scroll down, click the link to the free video in the description, and just go for it. Just do what it says. It's life-changing. It changed my life. I know it can change your life too. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your holiday, and I will talk to you in the next video.